It's a 2016 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual-zone climate control, magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.